Hey everyone, just wanted to show you this room in the Contemporary. So this one is actually unique. I wasn't expecting it, but I actually got a castle view instead of the garden view. So that was quite a surprise. Alright, so let's take a look. So we have a desk, 2 queen-size beds. So it does come with a sofa bed as well. You can sleep a lot of people here between the sofa bed as well as the beds. So like 4 people over here and have another on the sofa bed. So very large room, lots of space. Does come with a television, pretty large, as well as some decor pieces. So if we look, it does come with a safe, as well as hangers to hang your clothes, an ironing board, there we go, coffee maker, cups, some art between them. Down here below we actually have the fridge, as well as some more shelves. So there's the fridge, pretty spacious. When I got in the room it was already on, so can get any food you bring back from the parks and put them right in there. And then over here is just a closet, so to put away the luggage. So this one is actually a part of the main building, meaning that it connects to where the area is for all the eating, and the monorail. You can kind of hear the people, but not so bad. So as soon as I walk out my hotel room, this is actually my view. I can see Chef Mickey's pretty clearly. I can even zoom in, and the Contempo Cafe. We have the Great Mural as well. And you can kind of see across the gap the other rooms. There's the door. But what I really like is that this room has an awesome balcony with an amazing view of the castle, which I was not anticipating. I'm going to show you. Alright, so this is the Magic Kingdom castle view. So literally I can see Space Mountain as well as the Magic Kingdom castle, Cinderella's castle, right from my window, both from the balcony. So the balcony does have 2 chairs, so you can just sit out here and lounge. Then when you're cold in the winter season, maybe you want to go inside and watch the fireworks in the castle from your bed. So plenty spacious. You can kind of see the parking lot down there. Let me zoom in. So you can definitely take a great view of the fireworks from there. And Space Mountain, I'm excited. I'm gonna check those out probably in the next few days or so. You can see the buses as they go, all the traffic. I'm excited. I'm gonna watch the fireworks from here. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So the bathroom is really spacious as well. When I actually got in, I was surprised by how many towels they have. So they already have it set up for about 4 people. You do get the hand towels as well as washcloths and then the large bath towels. The shower is in that first room when you step in. And then there's also the toilet in its own little separate room over here. So a couple of different sections, but you have the nice looking tile in here. So it has a bathtub and a shower combination. They do give you all of these little amenities here. So the different H2O brand, Disney Resort brand, Sea Marine, revitalizing shampoo, conditioner, sea salt bath soap, all of that good stuff. Sinks, pretty flat sinks. Not a lot of space to put things right here, so I'm assuming some people might use this kind of as a platform. And they also give things like mouthwash, vanity kit, solar relief gel, body wash, conditioner, shampoo, so a couple different things there. And then they also do give you a hair dryer too that you can use in your room. Plenty of outlets. We have outlets in the bathroom as well as plenty of outlets in the actual room too, especially over the desk. Even over here on the nightstand. There is no clock, I've noticed, but they do have the USB plugins, as you can see right here and right here, as well as the light controls. So if you want it a bit lighter, you can definitely raise the lights above the bed. But for now, I am going to go take a peek out the balcony and watch the fireworks show. Thanks for watching.